So we got an interesting project here and a unique background already. This client already has a driving range at their home and this large entertaining pavilion. What they were looking for was basically to add to this space that they already had. We're going to come in here and we're going to build a fire feature with a paver patio around it, a flagstone walkway connecting the access areas. Once they set the hot tub, we're going to build kind of a backdrop or bench, if you will, to kind of relax on while you're either waiting to get in the hot tub or checking out the fire. And all of this is going to be overlooking the driving range and everything else. So we'll prep that with 3/4 inch all the way to there. The height of everything is this pad. So then you're standing on pavers right now. Fire pit right there. So see this circle of brick? And you're hanging out in your hot tub. Your fire going right here.
Huh, setting the mood.
Right. Well, this build's all wrapped up. Let's take you through this newly created outdoor living area. Starts up here in the pavilion, an already existing feature on the back side of this home. The concept of the design was to create flow and access from the pavilion to other areas of the yard. As we leave the pavilion, we step down onto a natural stone permeable walkway. We were sure to include low voltage lighting on this to light up this pathway at night. I really like the combination of hardscape products that we use on this job. From the natural stone walls to this flagstone walkway to these tumbled and weathered pavers that create this patio space. And no outdoor living space is complete without a hot tub. So we step out of the hot tub and we head over to the main focal point of this outdoor space, large natural gas fire feature. Something cool about this feature is it starts instantly with the push of this button. And this fire puts off a lot of heat. This insert is rated for 220,000 BTUs, which provides enough heat for me to feel it even when I'm back here on this outdoor couch. It really makes this spa fit the space. We brought it up to the level of the hot tub, and then we finished off the couch with these outdoor cushions and low voltage accent lights. It really provides a nice backdrop to this distinctive outdoor living space. So that wraps up episode 2. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned as we continue to showcase these hometown hardscapes.